str.startswith with a list of strings to test for. I'm trying to avoid using so many if statements and comparisons and simply use a list, but not sure how to use it with str.startswith. What I would like it to be is. Any help would be appreciated.
str.startswith allows you to supply a tuple of strings to test for. From the docs. str.startswith prefix, start, end, return true if string starts with the prefix, otherwise return false. Prefix can also be a tuple of prefixes to look for. Below is a demonstration.
You can also use any map like so. Or alternatively, using a generator expression.
You can also use next to iterate over the list of patterns. One way where next could be useful is that it can return the prefix itself. Try.